Today, we will showcase the inspection process for this centrifugal fan. The dimensions of this fan are as follows: length 1700 mm, width 1400 mm, and height 1300 mm. A silencer is installed at the fan's outlet to effectively reduce operational noise. Additionally, we have added a rain cover above the motor and silencer, specifically designed to suit the local weather conditions of the customer. This feature protects the equipment during adverse weather, enhancing its reliability and service life. The testing process begins with the current test. After resetting the instrument to 0, the test is conducted. The results confirm that the current values match the motor's nameplate parameters, fully meeting the required standards. Next is the vibration test. By testing the key components of the motor, we verify whether the vibration value is consistent with the nameplate parameters, in line with the international testing standard of no higher than 6.3, and our fan standard is higher than the national standard. The third test focuses on airflow performance. After resetting the instrument to 0, the airflow at the fan outlet is measured. The test results confirm that the airflow output matches the specifications on the nameplate, meeting the customer's required standards. Lastly, we conducted the noise test. We first measured the noise level without the silencer and then tested it with the silencer installed. The results showed a significant reduction in noise after installing the silencer, demonstrating excellent noise reduction performance and fully meeting design requirements. Following a series of rigorous tests, this centrifugal fan has been verified to fully meet customer requirements in terms of performance and quality. Thank you for choosing Decent Machinery. We are committed to delivering high-quality industrial equipment solutions. Decent Machinery, providing excellence in industrial solutions.